I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know.
Hello! Yes, it's me. I'm back. So soon! I know. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jamie and thanks so much for stopping by. Today, I wanted to try this new kit that I saw on TikTok first, and then I saw something similar to it on Instagram, and so I purchased it off of Instagram. I don't know why, but for some reason I did. So when I got it in the mail yesterday, I was like, oh, this don't really look like the one I saw on TikTok. I'm still going to use it to see if it works. So it may be a bootleg version of it. If it still does the same thing, does it really matter? So I got it from a company, Little Playland. It was $15.95 for the actual product. And then it was $6 for like shipping and handling, which I thought was like ridiculous. But besides the point, I already paid for it, I already got it, so it is what it is. So the product that I am talking about is a Easy Crease line kit. The one that you may see on TikTok is all like nice and fancy, and it's in this like fancy box and all this stuff. I didn't get that. It literally came in like this. Okay, we're fine. Hopefully it works. So it still comes with the same, I guess, shapes as the one on TikTok did. And it does come with the tool. So you have this tool, you use it, put it on either side of your eyeballs. And it comes with 3 different types of shapes that you can do the cut crease with. You have like the basic like round one, the oval. You got a little cat eye type thing. And then I guess like, I'm not really sure what this is. To the side. Just to let you guys know, my cut creases suck. I'm not a pro. I've never said I was a pro. This was also for me so I could hopefully get better at cut creases and just having more of a dramatic eyes. So I'm hoping that this actually helps. Now the one on TikTok I did see, I guess the pieces on the back of the actual like rubber has like the sticky tape and you use that, but these don't have that, so you just slide it on like that. It does say left or right on either side, so you know which one to use. And since I'm alrighty, I'm gonna try to do my left side first, just because I feel like I always seem to mess up on my left side more than my right side. Like my right side, I'm like, oh yeah girl, and then I'm like, crap, forgot I gotta do my left eye first, dang it, oh. Like, it drives me crazy because I'm like, damn, this ain't gonna look the same. Gonna look like a weirdo coming out of the house with one like really good eye and the other one looks jacked. This is what we're trying today. These Easy Cut Crease tool majiggy, that's what I'm gonna call it, and see how well it works. Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these times you'd like to meet. Hopefully there's nothing in my nose. Okay, teeth. Well, I think we're good. We're good. I'm just a little dry. I haven't washed my face yet. All right, so I'm just gonna try all 3 of these just to see which one kind of works for my eye. I am a little nervous because the tool seems a little big and my eyes, I don't feel like, I don't know, I feel like it's gonna be a little too big. Ooh. That takes away your vision. Okay. Oh, okay. It's not working, so we're not gonna do the R today. We're gonna try this one first. I'm assuming that at the bottom piece right here is where I need to put on my eyelid. The first thing you should do is you should do a darker shade first, and then with a smaller brush, and then go in with a lighter shade with a fluffier brush and do that. I think we're just gonna go in with the naked palette. And again, I am just trying to go right down where my lashes are. Ooh, Okay, so we're gonna switch from that brush. Ooh, I can't see a daggone thing. And we're gonna go one shade lighter. Please let me get in the right spot. But like, maybe if I go this way, it won't be so high up. Okay. Do you guys see how far this is up? This is like so close. So I'm gonna say that the wing does not work for me. I feel like maybe if it was a little bit smaller, it may work. So I'm gonna say this isn't a second attempt. Now we're gonna try this oval one. Is this how this is? I feel like I want to go a little bit lighter with the colors, but for comparison, I'm still going to use the same colors that I just used, because I don't want somebody to be like, well, why did you use these colors and then you changed these colors and then it looked so.
Every person could be you though. A pretty guy with a halo. But who am I kidding, please now? I gotta realize that you.
It's not as bad as the first one. The first one was an absolute no. This one isn't as bad, but I feel like I could kind of work with this. Let's go to the next color.
Understand what we could do around the world, say to Peru. Will I in bed till it's PM?
It's not bad. I can definitely tell that it's making my eye look a little bit bigger. I mean, it's not bad. Is it my favorite? No, I don't know. I don't like it. I feel like it's just, it doesn't look good with my eye shape. I mean, it ain't the best. And I'm not really happy. So number 1 sucked. Number 2 was please Jesus, let number 3 be like the last one. So this one is just a regular like oval, even on both sides. But I'm thinking this is gonna work. I'm hoping that it's gonna work. I think it's gonna work. Hey, I ain't mad at it. Okay. Okay. It's still high to my eyebrow, but like, I guess I just have shorter lids. So we're gonna try the other side now. Number 3 is a winner. Okay. I do see that there is a little bit more of a difference from this side to this side. I mean, that's probably as pretty close as a crease that I'm gonna be able to get. So I'm like really excited about this one. This one looks pretty good. And we're back. Yes, it's me. I really can say I like this shape. I think it came out really pretty. I'm like super excited about it, super stoked. I can't help but look at myself in the camera because I'm like, wow, it came out really good. So overall, I would give this maybe a 4.5. The only reason why I wouldn't give it a full 5-star is because the other ones really don't work for me. I think it's just the shape of my eyelids and they don't work. I really like this one. This one's like my go-to jam now, so I'm gonna try to use this or implement it now within my makeup routine and hopefully get like super good. I can tell that there was a couple of places where there was a little bit more of a darker patch on one area versus another, but I think for my first time doing a first impression with you guys, I'm really excited that this actually worked, and I'm feeling myself, and I may need to go somewhere. It's like 2:30 in the afternoon. I don't know where I'm going. I may need to change my clothes and go somewhere. I mean, this makeup is just too good not to show off to someone, anyone. I don't know who wants to see it, but I want to show it off. So if you guys have tried this product, please let me know in the comments down below. But that is it, guys. Thanks so much for watching and hanging out with me today. If you're not already and you'd like to be, please subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure that you're hitting the notification bar down below so you know when I upload a new video. As always, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!
You are the stranger in the corner on the same